Hello and welcome to a new CrocFix video tutorial. We have here a Realme C20 phone and the problem is the phone is locked, so we don't know the pattern to draw, we don't know which is it, so we can't enter the phone and use it. So if you also forgot your PIN code, your password, your screen lock, and you want to use your phone again, then this video is for you. We will do a factory reset, so we will erase all the data on the phone and also the PIN code. After this reset, you will have the chance to activate and unlock the phone with your Gmail and your password. So you need to know your Gmail account and your password to do this procedure, okay? All data on the phone will be wiped and deleted. Unfortunately, there is no other option. So let's go and wipe the phone. I would like also to say that I put really a lot of time in these videos, so if you can make a donation, maybe for a coffee or something, thank you very much, I really appreciate it. And please say thank you at the end and comment if it did work for you. This really means a lot for me and for my channel. Thank you very much. So now let's go. We have the phone itself here and what we need to do. So following, we need to press all three buttons here together until the phone restarts, alright? Or first let's go and try just to turn off the phone if we can. Let's try this one first. So hold the power button. Yes, we can switch it off. Then first switch off the phone. And then let's go. We will press volume down here and the power button. So this button here is like if you press it up, it's volume up. If you press it down, it's volume down. And this is the power button. So let's press volume down and the power button together. And once the phone starts, just keep pressing volume down button and release the power button. So you press both buttons together. Now you release the power button, but you keep holding the volume down button. Keep holding the volume down button. Still keep holding. We still keep holding it until we see the recovery menu screen. Okay, so once you see this menu, you go and click your language. We keep it in English, confirm with the power button. And then we go down here with the volume down through the menu where you can see format data. And then you confirm with the power button. Now you need to enter the verification code. So we need to enter 7746. It's you maybe have a different number, so enter your number and then you click on format. Now the wiping is going on, so everything will be deleted here. Just wait a little bit until the process is finished. Data formatted, okay. And now let's go and just reboot the system. So the phone will be like brand new. You need to activate it with your Gmail account and your password, and that's basically it. So please let me know in the comments if it did work for you, if you have any questions, if you want to say thank you, or any other stuff. Please also like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. I will try the best to do as soon as possible a new video and help you guys with another one. See you in the next one, your CrocFix.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Here on my channel, just click on more and then you have here the donation link. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.